is what it is.
Deborah Shaw is Harold Martin's wife.
I love my husband very much and I stand behind him. Thank you very much.
Harold Martin, a former NSA contractor, is charged with stealing massive amounts of classified information over a 20-year period from the agency. According to prosecutors, additional charges will be filed against Martin under the Espionage Act. Court documents and testimony reveal some of the classified information contains operational plans and the names of covert agents. U.S. District Court Judge Richard Bennett says Martin's mental health overwhelms all other factors he's allowed to consider to determine whether Martin is a flight risk. The judge noted several times he will not make that decision in a vacuum, citing a lack of professional mental health evaluation of Martin. Public Defender Jim Wida told the judge Martin is taking medication for ADHD, that he is a monthly binge drinker and a hoarder. Prosecutors claim at one point Martin became suicidal. Judge Bennett says Martin's hoarding explanation gives him great pause, hardly sufficient. Without an evaluation, we have no idea who we're dealing with. The judge says the nature of the offense is egregious. Harm has already occurred no matter how this plays out. This is an enormously important case. It is a shock to the public and to the intelligence community. Prosecutors contend Martin knew that he did wrong because agents found 10 firearms at his home, including a loaded handgun in his car. The defense argued Martin knew the magnitude of the documents he possessed and wanted to protect them. Prosecutors took exception to the defense argument that Martin is cooperating, first with a confession and now in subsequent meetings with him. Prosecutors characterized the meetings as unproductive. Martin's attorney told the judge his client is remorseful for the risk he took with government documents, and he's ashamed of that. The defense argues that there's no indication any of the materials fell into the wrong hands. Prosecutors say not yet. They characterize the case as a vast, ongoing investigation, also making the point hoarding is not a defense of a crime. Reporting live from federal court downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.